Somebody will have a question. 23, we have y is equal to 1 plus cosine of 7x squared raised to the third power.
Whoa.
Okay, now watch this. Y prime, this is like stuff raised to the third power. So the first thing I do is I toss the 3 to the front. Okay? Then I'm going to put my stuff, raise it to the second power. Does that make sense? So if I have something raised to the third power, I take the derivative of that, which is the stuff. You know, you toss the 3 to the front times the stuff raised to the 1 less power. So now my stuff is 1 plus cosine, and I'm going to write this a little different. It's actually cosine of 7x squared. So now I have to take the derivative of the stuff on the inside. Okay? So now the derivative of 1 is just 0. Okay? Plus, what's the derivative of stuff squared? Well, hold on, wait a second. I have to toss the 2 to the front, and now my stuff on the inside is going to be cosine of 7x. Right?
Yeah. Okay.
Now I'm not quite done because I still have some more stuff that needs to be derived. What is the derivative of 7x? 7. So now I've got 3 times 2. Let me double check.
Wait, why do you take the 7?
3 times 2 times 7, which is 42. And oh, I forgot. I've got to take the wait, it's not. It's the stuff, but then I have to do the derivative of that, which is I've got to tack on the derivative of cosine, which is what?
Negative sign.
Negative sine. So it's negative sine of 7x. And then I got to take the derivative of the 7x, which is where I get the 7 from. Sorry, trying to read it out of my notes and write it down. So I've got a negative times 7 times 2 times 3, which is negative 42. Now where I got the negative 42 from is I said 3 times 2 times 7 times negative 1. And then I can't really clean it up too much, so I'm going to have 1 plus cosine of 7x squared times cosine of 7x times sine of 7x. Is that the answer you got?
I was close.
Mr. Adams almost goofed up. I kept looking at my notes and I forgot to take the derivative of the cosine. So remember that when we take the derivative of this, I have to take the derivative of this stuff again. So it's really the derivative of cosine of 7x, which is negative sine of 7x, and then the 7x is going to be the 7. Okay?